Hey, it's Todd the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. I am Todd. I am the Dirt Man, the original Dirt Man, and I'm with Todd's Dirt Seasonings, and I'm the creator of the greatest seasonings known to man, or at least by this man at least, but they're absolutely fantastic. And today we're going to do an absolutely amazing recipe, one that I absolutely love. It is called Spatchcock Chicken. It's a recipe that I think every griller should learn how to do. And even if you're just a basic home chef or a cook, would work absolutely well, and you should definitely learn how to do it. So this is the chicken, and what we're basically going to do is we're going to cut off the back of this chicken, and then we're going to lay it nice and flat. And the reason why we want to do that is because the chicken is going to cook a lot more evenly instead of when you have it standing up or laying on its back, where the thighs kind of cook at one temperature and the breast cook at a different temperature. All right, let's get to the recipe here. We're using the original Todd's Dirt today. Fabulous on absolutely everything. I think it's going to work really well. I think all the herbs are really going to bring out the chicken well. We've got some dirty olive. We're going to do an olive oil here. This is extra virgin olive oil. If you notice, I've got this nice little glass thing. Dirt Man is trying to show a little class now instead of using a plastic container. And then we've got the two different things that we're going to use to cut the back off with. These are regular kitchen scissors, or these are shears. I really think the shears work a lot better. I'm going to show you both ways and how they work. You just need something that you're going to be able to get through the bones easier. A knife really doesn't work very well. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put some gloves on. I like to use the gloves because I just cannot stand dealing with any kind of raw chicken at all. It kind of drives me crazy, and I do with a lot of raw chicken. And here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the back as I flipped it over, and kind of like the tail part right here is the beginning of the back. So I'm going to flip this over. All right, let's cut this chicken. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going right down the side of the back and cutting it right through. You can see how easy it pretty much is. There's some tough parts right here. Cut through this part of the skin. And then I'm going to flip this over. You can saw how easy that was. Now let's do it with these. These are going to be a little bit harder. It still works fine. Just follow the bone, the backbone all the way through. And voila, we're done with that part. Now we've exposed the inside here. Now we want to be able to lay this thing flat. If you notice at this point right now, it really doesn't lay flat. So what we're going to do is cut this part right here in the middle, and you can hear that little snap, and then we're going to press this down, and now we've opened up the bird. So now that's going to lay nice and flat. What I like to do, and some people might mention to do, is I like to cut this cartilage out, this part right here, and some of the bones, you cut this out. One, the presentation I think looks a whole lot better. Also, I think when you're cutting it, it slices better, so it comes back to the whole presentation. Some people think it's because the bones, if you leave the bones in, it's going to taste better, but truly I don't think it really matters. So here we go. We're going to cut this part out. So I'm going right down the edges here, and I'm just following this part. Everybody's favorite part of the breast chicken. This lovely cartilage, it always gets in the way. And there we go, that part is gone. And now look at it. Look how this thing just lays just perfectly flat. Really nice. All right, so now we're going to put the olive oil. We're going to do a light coat of olive oil on the inside. Get in here really good. Just kind of move it on. We don't want a whole lot on here. It was a pretty dry bird when I got started. And now let's sprinkle on the original Todd's Dirt. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah. I like getting dirty, the bird says. I like getting dirty too. Okay. All So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the skin back on the thigh. That way we can get into the thigh nice and easily. Rub that right in there like that. This is going to bring a whole lot of flavor. Press that in there really nice. I'm going to put the skin back on. Now we're going to do this side. You can see it's not very difficult at all. A little more Todd's Dirt. And what is Todd's Dirt good on? Everything. Not everything, it's everything. That's what it's good on. And then the olive oil again. Right a little bit on the outside. I don't want to put too much olive oil on the outside, just enough where we can get where the skin will brown up really nice. All right, cleaning my hands a little bit more. Here, and let's get the dirt on. Oh yeah, real pretty. Some on the wings. It's one of my favorite parts. We love to do dirty wings in our house. All right, so now look at that beautiful chicken. Doesn't she look pretty? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this outside. We're gonna put this on the green egg and meet me on outside. Here we go. All right, now we're outside with the beautiful spatchcock chicken that is laying beautiful here. So now let's put this on the green egg. It's set at beautifully at 350. First, you always burp the green egg first, just to make sure there's no flare-ups, even at this low temperature. And then let's put the spatchcock chicken right here on the grill. We are gonna put this thing face down. Then after about 45 minutes, we're gonna flip this thing back over, and then we'll check it on after that. Hey, it's been 45 minutes and let's check out this dirty spatchcock chicken over here. Let's see how it looks. Let's burp the green egg. Oh yeah, it's starting to get some good color on top. Let's flip this bad boy over. Oh yeah, look how pretty this is. Now I will tell you, there are some people who like to put a brick on top, and it's called brick chicken, where they put it on top to lay it flat, but I think it's laid pretty flat, pretty good. So look how pretty the colors are on here. Look how the dirt did not really burn. It's really showing some pretty colors. And it smells absolutely fantastic. You're gonna love this. So let's put this down, probably get another, say 30 minutes, and we'll check on it. All right, let's check on this bad boy on this dirty spatchcock chicken and see how it came out. Oh yeah, look how pretty that looks. Temperature is set just right, where we just want to be. Let's take this off. Boy, it's almost falling apart. Flip this over. Oh yeah, look at that. Not looking very pretty though. There we go. Look at that. Look how pretty that is looking. All right, now we've got the chicken here ready to go. And let's cut this, let's see how it looks. Oh, listen to that sound. Oh my goodness, you hear the crackle that's in there? Beautiful, lovely skin. Look at this skin. Try that. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna take the legs off. Look how easy it is just to break this chicken apart. Listen to that. Look how pretty that looks here. And then watch how easy it is to cut this chicken. No bones. Look at that. The reason why I took those bones out is to make it easy and simple to cut. Look at that. Look at the juices in that. Well, let's try it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Dirty Spatchcock Chicken is amazing. Tastes great. Simple. You can see how easy it to cut. Beautiful presentation. So I want to thank you very much for coming for another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man with the Dirty Spatchcock Chicken. And check us out again for the next one. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.